Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following limit. Find the limit of the absolute value of x minus 5 as x is approaching to 5. Step number 1. Whenever you do a limit, ideally you think about the left limit and the right limit in order for a limit to exist. So the first step is I'm going to take the left limit, which means I'm taking the limit of the absolute value of x minus 5 as x is approaching to 5 from the negative side. And again, on the side, I am going to draw a diagram of y equal to the absolute value of x minus 5. And again, if you look at the graph carefully, it looks roughly speaking something like that. And if you look at the xy intercepts, it's going to be roughly somewhere here. It's going to be at 5, 0, and the y-intercept is going to be at 0, 5. So again, those are 2 points. Let's go back to the same color for you. Those are 2 points on the graph. Now, if you think about the left limit, what you're really doing is you're looking at the left-hand side of this graph, approaching to 5, and finding the corresponding y value. So graphically speaking, when you find the left limit, the answer is going to be 0. Now, of course, you can always plug in 5 if you like, and 5 minus 5 would be 0. The absolute value of 0 will be 0. Now, the second step is you have to look at the right limit. And again, you look at the limit of the absolute value of x minus 5 as x is approaching to 5 from the positive side. And in this case, again, if you look at the right-hand side of this graph, what's the corresponding y value is still going to be 0. So now I go back and I write down 0. Again, algebraically, you can plug in 5. That works as well. Since there's a left limit and there's a right limit, and the left limit equals to the right limit, therefore, the limit of the absolute value of x minus 5 as x is approaching to 5 is 0. I hope this makes sense.